Okay, now we'll see how to create the first program in IICS. Okay, so before that, go to Informatica Power Center. So how to create the first program in Informatica? First of all, you are importing some table, one table, for example, task table from the source, and also the structure of target you need to import. After that, need to go to the mapping designer and give the connections. Okay, then need to go to the workflow designer. So we need to set up the connections here. And if we run this program, and we will get the output. So this program succeeded, and this is the result. Okay, this is in Informatica Power Center. Now we'll see how to perform a simple program, a first program in IICS. Okay, for that I'm going to the browser. Okay, so what is my first condition means the status should be running state. The services status should be running state. First, I want to check that statuses, the runtime environment. So this is my local secure agent. Then see all the services are in running status. No problem. Then so from here, I'm going to the data integration. Okay, and click on the data integration. Say data integration. So I'm getting this type of workspace. Here I'm going to the explore. Okay. So here you observe in the right side top new project is there. So I'm clicking on the new project and I'm giving one project name. My projects. I'm just entering and just saving that. So one my project folder came, right? So I'm clicking on the my projects. Okay. Yes. Here what I want to do is I need to create one new folder. Under my project, I want to create one new folder. This is programs. Okay. Save. Okay. One program folder is there. Is came under the new projects. Okay. Just clicking on this program folder. So here, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to the new plus button is there, right? So I'm clicking the new. Okay. And I'm clicking on the mapping. Okay. By default, it will come like this. And we just click on the mapping. Okay. So here, create button is there. Just click on the create button. Okay. So this is the mapping one. So I want to hard code my mapping name like task m_task. This is my mapping name. Okay. Yeah. So now I want to import the source, right? So just clicking on the source. So it will come like this: properties, preview, and source. Okay. Here, name, description is there, and the general, source, and field, and partition options also there. So if you want to see all these things, means go to here in the right side. So maximize is there. Just click on the maximize. So you'll get a complete and full-fledged view. And here I'm going to the source. Okay. And I'm clicking on the connection. So already I given the connections, right? So OTSRC day one, this is my connection. And type, source type. Just wait a second. Yeah. So it's a single object. Okay. So next, I need to select the table. For that, I'm clicking on the select button. It will redirect to my source database. From source database, I can select the table. So my table is task. My table is task. I'm selecting this task and clicking OK. It will take some time. It's totally depends on your internet connection. Now see, so the table task came. Okay, if you want to see the fields of that particular table, you just click on the fields and you can see the fields, number of fields that are available in the task table. Okay. Yeah, this is a partition. So yeah, that's no need of this thing. Okay. So I imported my source table successfully. Okay. So my source table name is task. Okay. Then so I'm minimizing this one. I'm saving this one. Okay. Now I'm going to the target. So successfully I uploaded the source table here. So now I'm going to the target. I'm clicking on target. Okay. So now I want to maximize. So this is my target table, like task underscore TGT. This is my target table name. Go into the fields. Okay, I'm going to the target now. I want to import the target structure first, right? So go to the connections, and this is my target schema. I'm taking that relation connection, and here, so I'm selecting. Just wait a second. Okay, so here You select the table. So what is my target structure table? Class PGT. Yeah, this is my target structure name actually. Okay. You have to wait for some time. As now see, so it is successfully taken the target structure. Okay. So then go and see the target field. So this is my target fields, and this is my incoming fields. It is coming from the source, right? It is my incoming fields, and this is my target fields. These are all my target fields. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to the field mapping. So here, what I'm taking means auto map. So auto map means this contact ID goes to this contact ID, and first name goes to the first name, last name goes to the last name, and email goes to the email, and phone goes to the phone, customer ID goes to the customer ID. So likewise, we have some options. So different types of options are there. So that are not known yet as of now. So I'm just taking the auto map here. Okay. So I'm going to the save. So it's successfully saved. Okay. Okay. Now save the mapping. Okay. Here you do one thing in the target. In the target, the in the field mapping, you put the field mapping option is automatic. Okay. So then save this one, and you will get the run button here. Just click on run. Okay. Runtime environment, Informatica cloud host. So select your local host here. So what is my local host? So desktop, right? Okay. So this is my mapping name. Everything is fine. Then click on run. Okay. Here, click on my jobs. And this is your status. It is in queue. So just refresh. So it is in running state, right? Now it is in running state. Just click on refresh. Okay, now see, so the status is succeed and the rows passed is 319. Okay. So now see whether the rows are successfully passed or not. This is my source and it is having see now. It is having 319 rows. Okay, go to the target. Go to target and before that it is there is no data, only structure is there. So, if I run this, yeah, it is showing the data. So that is 319. Okay. Hope it clear. Thank you.